Who that? It's me, Capone. Jacob.
Who is that?
Partner in crime.
Bad timing.
Turn on the light.
Really bad fucking timing.
Hey, shut up, boy. I'm not telling me I come for your pussy hole.
Let me know, says you. Make it worse, you just get off.
Sit down, Jacko. Sit down.
Me reason with him, man.
Wow, you hear the boss if you sit down.
Look, man, be smart. You don't need this.
Sit down, Jacko. I'm telling you.
You two blood clot ideas.
I'm gonna send you home. Guilty as charged.
Come in. Sorry about Jacko. Terrible thing. Capone, there were some powder burns on your victim.
Victim soup?
You know what I mean.
It was a close-range shootout soup.
I see. I've been thinking, Capone, your talents are wasted around here. They need more men like you on the front line. I've recommended you for a position in Kingston. Seems that they have set up a team at the ministry to deal with organized crime, and you have been accepted.
A long time in a simmer home. Thank you, soup.
Capone.
Yes, soup.
Your methods of crime fighting may be effective, but they're not always right.
Police and thieves in the streets. Ooh, yeah. Fighting the nation with their guns and ammunition. Police and thieves.
Come in.
The streets. Ooh, yeah.
I just found out that Detective Johnson's leave of absence has been extended. He's not getting better.
Sorry to hear that, sir. But I did tell him to wait for backup.
Yes, I know. I read the report. Well, let's wish him the best, eh? Anyway, I have a new squaddy for you. A Detective Boyd, a.k.a. Capone. He's been in Port Antonio for the last 4 years, but they have transferred him back to us here in Kingston.
Capone?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think I heard that name before.
You must hear that name before. First day him station in Port Antonio, him shoot 3 men dead in a hole up. First day, guns blazing, no backup.
No backup? Him sound like a loose cannon to me, so.
Loose cannon? Him a cannon? And fear him down there. He'll be a great asset to us here.
So, I don't think I would be the right squad for Capone, you know, sir.
But you're the only available man. We'll see how it goes. He's from Kingston, so he knows the city. All you have to do is show him the ropes. What do you say? Good man. I know I could count on you.
We're coming out bad here now, eh? Gun on your lap. So we do it now.
Why am I scared at all?
You scared?
Scared what I could do to them.
Yeah, about you, know.
Hey,
Yeah, so you're gonna respect nobody.
so about you, Flag. What's your story?
It's not no story. I mean, it's just a simple squad.
You see that?
So what?
I bet you none is something not going on.
Where go one man switching up?
We run things, things don't run we.
Bumbleclot, Babylon.
You're not willing to back up.
What you want, an airstrike? Nobody is going to cramp my style today. You understand me? Come on.
Back up. Stand to base, stand to base. Back up, back up, back up. Tower Street and Mark Lane.
Police, police, police! One of them. Fast if it dead.
Read the manual, idiot.
Back up. On the way.
Look like the church gone into gun running.
Respect, Floyd. You're a wicked man. You're done now. Respect, man. Respect.
Congratulations. Only your first day. You're showing us up, man.
How many birds you killed?
3.
Not even half a bag.
That was all there was.
You want one?
Now, put that back. That is evidence.
Yes, sir.
These are the guns that were confiscated from the church barrels from Dongle.
We need to figure out if they're coming in with the cocaine trade or they're for the regular turf protection business. And if so, what them up to? This could be a very serious lead. The Don down in Dongle, them call him Wani. His real name is Douglas Jones. He runs a bar called Saddam's. Check him out.
Man file suit.
Oh yes, we're very up to date here. Everything is in a computer. You know how to operate a computer, right?
Yes.
So Capone, look like you landed on your first case, man. But you're from Dongle, aren't you?
Born and raised in Dongle, sir.
What you look for?
The file on the dandong at Dongle. Douglas Jones.
This is not fully programmed yet. Douglas Jones? See, Jack?
What a mug. 70s political gunman lost his arm in shootout, hence the nickname Wani. Was active in New York drug trade in the 80s, sentenced to 5 years at Rikers Island, where he became knowledgeable in computers. Deported in the early 90s, then regained Donship of Dongle. Into racketeering, protection, business, illegal gambling, drugs, prostitution. He's a real businessman. No disrespect, Floyd. I'm have to go in a Dongle alone. Get a little information from the folks. We acquaint myself, you know? All right, sir? But not as a squaddy.
Respect.
Respect.
I will call customs and ask them to search for the manifest so we can know when the shipment coming in and who the custom broker is.
Respect, Floyd.
Yes.
All right, Floyd. Remember, we grease the engine. We run things.
Things are run way.
We run the street no run. We run the uptown and the downtown passing. We run town and we run country. Anywhere we go, respect Joe to it. You have some people you that are like them a Goliath. Roam through the city and a fire to your shot. Night and the animal cell to your crop out. Them up on the law, them have to turn back.
We run things don't run free. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. We run things and things don't run free. Anything we do, it have to be done properly.
For we will lock up any woman, we will lock up any man. Girls, if you know you have done in a wrong.
Greetings, my brother. Capone? I never recognize you. So you go big man?
Can I come in, Red?
Yes. Yes, brother. They tell me you're in the police. Is that so?
Yes, Reverend.
Well, you know, we can't forget the trouble that you and Lion used to give me. You remember Lion, youngest brother, Ratty? Well, him is a big hero down here now, you know. Him take care of all the small people then.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
How about Rita? She's still around?
Yeah, she doing well. She turned Hitler. It's only the other day she asked after you.
That's nice. Tell me something, Reverend. You get any barrel from foreign recently?
Yes. Me get a charity shipment just this week. That reminds me, me have some charity tickets for sale, you know. Buy some from me, no?
Well, maybe we can help you sell them down at the station.
Yes.
So about the shipment?
Yeah, them right here. Buy one from me now, no?
How much for one?
Well, you know, me not hurt to do better than that. Come. The community thanks you, brother. God will bless you. Now, where you are?
Show me the barrels.
Right over here. Where me barrel them? 3 barrels missing.
You never noticed before?
Me had a full count yesterday.
Look, Reverend.
Rotted! Me door!
Them come in last night.
Why them take only 3 barrels?
Who sent them barrels?
The mother church in the U.S.
What is the name of your custom broker, Reverend?
Claudia Hendricks down in Harbour Street. Him phoned me when the shipment come in, and me go down there with a couple of youth and pick them up.
Where you pick it up?
Newport East Bond Warehouse. You find me barrel then?
Who the youths then that help you?
Skinny, Spoonhead, Dummy. You can't remember them. Them all from the area. Them one little walk, so me give.
Thank you, Reverend. Please, don't mention that me come to visit you. Good to see you. I'm counting on your silence.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Hey yo, call the police, 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 police. Driven from about to end. One sec. Call the police, 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 police. Aunties about to break. I say, jump off from my stool and out of my corner. May I have the floor to say,
Yo, come here. We have another box. Whose finger?
No older brother. We shoot him last week. He was 19.
Who then?
Gunman from other area, sir.
I look for you, them Skinny or Dummy. You know them?
No, officer. No, you have them.
You know them. If you don't want to end up like your brother in the chocolate box, you tell me which part them hang out. You understand?
Police!
Skinny! What's the rush, Skinny? Hmm?
Sure.
Are this your run with Family?
Yes, sir.
You work for Reverend Scott?
I work for Reverend Scott.
Don't lie, boy. Understand you carry charity bar. Me know you carry charity barrels for him the other day.
Yes, I'm gonna do that.
So how you tell me you don't work for Reverend Scott?
So get a food money from one is in fail put the church.
So when they pay you?
Fail put the church is all about neighborhood.
More charity will come up?
I don't know, sir. I'm only telling you half go for them, sir.
Him give you the ganja?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir, no, sir, with the blood clot, yes, sir, boy. Eh? Him give you coke?
No, sir, not like that. No sniff things, eh?
Watch me now. Don't tell one is a question you understand me?
Yes,
I'm going to tell him say you inform upon him.
Yes,
you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
And nobody make me catch you, sir, again. Run away!
Yo, father. Father, pass it out. I want him on start. Yeah, I want like your baller, you know. Oh, you want to take away hard? That's the man of God.
Follow them, Rat. Follow them.
Capone!
Ratty.
Oh, go on, my virgin.
Heights. Run it backbone. Capone.
Razor.
Long time in the city eye.
Take 9. Take. Yeah. Respect. Respect, sir.
Mr. Capone.
Pretty girl. Wow.
What them say? Shut up, Capone.
Dainty crime.
Watch your dainty on there.
Yes,
Yeah.
I.
Yeah, family.
What I
Walk
say?
So, how go on?
Backyard now.
You catch the most wanted man in a port and so on. You're the man of star quality, you know?
You have star quality. Not the brother, man.
So, yo, make you left the force. Make you left the force.
I'm gonna left the force. I'm just transfer me back to Kingston.
Oh.
You hear say you are the big man in the area now. Talk to me.
Natural thing.
Well, you know, we just try to help out the youths in the area, you know? Because every man have a talent, you know? Bible don't say that, you see what I say? Yeah. So we just build a football pitch, help out the youths them, you know? See the reggae boys them don't show with the way, build up a side, the Dunga football team. So we beat the reggae boys and conquer the world, you know? We set this thing for, hey, you know, when a man win, you know, it's like a man can taste victory and every man have the right for that. So that's that we work on, you see me?
So, respect to the idea.
Yeah. Got someone there in family.
Yes, I. Cool, sir. So, Boy George feel about this?
Boy George dead and buried. One year run things now, man.
One. Him level?
Level no fucking way.
How you mean? Him a treat people right?
Yo, forget that. You see, tomorrow night, me have a dance. When you come check me, see? Alright, you can be my security. Rambo style.
With me around, you get all the security you need.
Yes.
Yes, you know. It's still efficient.
Yeah, I'm gonna go early tomorrow morning, you know.
Same place.
Run with Batty boy.
Hey, yo, watch your mouth, man. Watch my brethren.
So, Imawa. Police.
Yo, I wanna wheeze in. Don't test.
But don't call me. Call mobile reserve for backup.
Who the man there with the box outside for the maid?
Oh, not nice. Bring him in for ID parade. I'll keep him ID under wraps.
Rude boy. Look like the soup get all the credit for them guns. No mention of you at all.
Well, the soup need all the help him can get.
Customs was out for lunch from 11 to 3 o'clock, and when them came back, them searched for the manifest, but them couldn't find it. When them do find it, I realized that our fax now works, so we couldn't receive it. And we don't have no spare transportation, so we couldn't go fit, so we don't get it. Anyway, I found the name for the customs broker down at
Claudia.
Hendricks. Yeah, in my office by Arbor Street.
Anyway, Wani pay a few kids for help out with the charity. It could be just done politics, but it make him look suspicious. Me want to find out if them have more church charity waiting for them in the customs. Yeah, what you do? Set up a roadblock on the main road outside the Dongle. Call the FBI and ask them about the gun and serial number them. All right, make them Yankee boy to catch and supply them up there. So if them want to give me a visa for go up there, go do it myself, I will do it.
Hey, anybody see the man who was sitting outside there with a box pan me?
No? Why?
Just a box alone out here now, man.
You always come back out, Chester, you know? Remind me of the days when we used to follow back at you and Lion.
I miss you, brother. The Lion. When him get killed by the gang across the gully, that's when me decide to turn police, to get revenge.
No, Capone, I'm so glad you take me under your wing after I'm gone. Show me things, you know? Hey, yo. You remember the days when you used to look on them ship there and wonder which foreign country them a go? Yeah. You'd always dream of getting out of this bumper-clad, get a dongle, you know? Build a bigger life. You would do it.
How things would be right?
Well, you know where it go. Put on a little dance hall here, and a little record producing there. Little hustling at the neighborhood, you know? Little fishing. Boy, I may not reach there yet, but one day by the hook, by the crook.
Hey, who win the first prize?
What, that's a kiss from Rita? Yeah, that's still worth something.
That was a good old days, man.
Bad man for who? But you're bad when you don't have a clue. Man, I'm bad man. You must have sick in your head. But you're bad when you're not bad. Bad man for who? But you're bad when you don't have a clue. Man, I'm bad man. You must have sick in your head. But you're bad when you're not bad. We no bad. Boy can't go like no bad man this year. Cause all where you go and some people when me hear. The one that will make people see them and not steer. The woman they hire that sit down for them like cheer. You are a bad man, you're from Kingston. You will eat carry you love in maximum. You know your bedroom, you want him to get down. How many come and check you without being
Must be tonight, man. With Voyage for me.
Hey, Capone! My brethren! What God?
Warm ratty. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. How is
This is my brethren from Youths. This is the Dan. Wally.
Respect, Wally. Why the man smoke with style?
The man can hurt with style too.
They look like I carry the swing there.
Like it? Can get the one for cheap.
You want to see one, me will get mine from a specialist. You know?
Tonight.
Why you not changing? Wouldn't like the fire outside,
Yeah! Yo, Lenchi, large up, say, yeah! Big up all of the crew, say, don't know. All of the girls, them, all I shot to them, large up, say. Man like Wani, you don't know. Respect, large. Ratty, big up, large up every time, say, yeah. Respect. Ratty, when you look for some boy and tell them, say, you're not left it.
Batman no let them machine too far. You have to ready when the enemy ready for war. Batman no take and the Batman this scare. And we could not care less who they are. Well, Batman no let them machine too far.
Hey, it's about to jump into the answers. It's all about highlight the song and the future.
Capone! Oh my God!
You look good, man.
Thanks.
Guess what? You owe me a kiss.
Kiss? What? That old fishing trick again?
Yeah, man. Boy, y'all grown up now, Rita. Last time I see me, I jump on a bus and go Port Antonio. So we do this safe these days.
Well, I'm now an ICI, informal commercial importer.
Higgler.
My office is down by Parade.
Star.
Ratty, anybody talking to you? I mean, you put on a nice stage show and everything. So look about your talent, man. Go on.
See, I love her, see? Oh, all right, Rita, me leave you if you take care of him, all right? We have some special talents to pick up, so me see you. Rita, later. Come on.
Ratty, I come with you, man.
No, man. Stay and enjoy the show, all right? Soon come.
That's how we had the dancehall outfit suit you.
You like it? I got them from Panama.
Yeah?
You think it will sell?
Yeah, man. As long as you come with it.
Number 3, 5, and 12 will come from.
3, 5, and 12.
3, yeah.
5.
Number 12 here.
All right, roll them out now.
Bumbo clot, Ratty.
Show where you got my truck.
No problem.
Show where you got my truck. Come out, that truck. Come out. Come out. What you have in there?
I'm even in the office, I just carry some of my friend them with some charity goods in the barrel.
What you have with them barrels? Take off the lids, man. Move over. Over the side.
Biscuit 10 then off.
Yo, move, man.
Police hours.
Oreo. What name of church I look for?
The Latter Day Church of Christ. The Missionaries of God.
And that's what I look for, man. Wanna go on, man?
All right, thank you, officer. Thank you.
Move on. We lock up all around. Move. I want the ugly, man.
Oh, them boy that knocked up my blood clot bashment clothes in a mosquito man I wear. Man a real bad man out the road.
Carla, you get the crocus bag then.
All right, that's from across the boundaries. There's a peace street going on. Hey, Capone, first time you couldn't dare go down that street, you know. Hear gunshot to welcome you. But Ratty put on like a football match, concert like these, you know, bring back a vibe. So you find some people that come back into the community again.
Yeah, me can see that Ratty have something good going on here.
Yeah.
Look, Rita, not for leaving now.
So where you live?
City of the future.
Yeah?
Portmore. You can call me anytime by myself. All right?
Anytime?
Later, Rita.
Yo, how the shipment still? I'm checking it now. Everything all right? We talk.
Yo, I give $100 to anybody who can run on this car fastest 5 times. Ready, set, go!
Yo! Move from the car, you little criminals! Look up, sir! I'm in a business, I'm gonna kill all them little rassy with them. Oh, officer, he's up over the car, man. Too much fucking nice.
Thank you, Squaddy.
You that squad.
Come now, man. Shit. Ah, shit, man. Latter-day Saints Church of Christ, barrel number 247. Missionaries of God, 3512. Bomba clot. That's it today.
Alright, just put them up, go find them.
Yo, sir, I'm on the just left them bomba clot, but I don't know nobody took this line.
Coach, I just find the blood clot, but put it back and find it a star.
Watch it there now.
The school of the port is stopping nice, man. We don't want to wake the people them. Watch out. Don't flash.
Rotted my lid. 7. Getting there. I hate that.
Where the money?
Since the dance was free, you have money to buy liquor.
Hold that.
Boss, what is? With the rest of my money there, this not right.
You get your full pay for this shipment, but I take off the last one.
For what?
Because you fuck up. The police boy them hold me tools. I'ma lose my rental upon the last robbery. I'm gonna leave the ras barrels them. You have to create a whole new import setup. What cost me when cost you. Simple.
Boss, me no fuck up. Me do the job. Police them all the things. I want my money.
Me imply to run things smoothly now. It's when things go wrong, you have no more use to me.
Boss, I don't deserve no disrespect from you, you know.
I'm to you now.
Respect, Wani.
Respect.
Respect, Ratty.
Go and see me have a small job for pull. Easy can. I need couple tool.
Sound reasonable, yes. But I forget 1/3 anything I get. Why you frown up about youth? You think them tools are grow up on tree?
That co's still Godfather. You just call the shots. Me will lick them.
Ratty will look after you. Ratty.
Ratty! Ratty! Ratty?
So come Capone.
Oh, go on. Oh, you know, so you have some meal, eh?
Remember, say me a police.
Zin.
Always a special talent.
Which talent?
The talent you go for last night.
Oh, yeah, hey. Them was killer. Ratty Productions, you know?
Yeah. So, invite me inside now.
Yeah, man. Come see Mama. Mama, I have somebody to see you.
Oh, that.
It's me, Capone, ma'am. Remember all the trouble me and Lion used to give?
Ah, yes, Capone. You was a good boy. Me are dead, you know.
Mama, you alright, man? It's time to take your pills, alright? Get some water.
Listen, I'll give you some space, all right?
What I have then?
Remember this day.
Yeah. Those were the days, eh?
I can't believe you really have this.
Yeah. We're innocent youths then.
Better put it back in the Bible when you find it. At the best place for it anyway. Ratty. I got the road there. Sorry for you about Mama. I never know she was so sick. I'll check you later. Alright?
Respect, Capone.
Ratty!
Yeah, man. Brand new 9, you know. Feel it. Wickedest hand gonna never make, you know? Hey, you watch the action movie there with me. Again, with the whiteboard there we play the policeman. Anyway, them gonna Marvel juice.
Look new still, you know. So, how it go? Show me a thing now.
No, man. Just push up the magazine. Go back the block. Lick shot. See? Anyway, movements.
Well, go on, Capone. Now, on to your Ratty.
On to me?
I mean, no say it's on to me. He's my little brother, so I'm come level with you. You build football pitch, you organize talent concert, you sing about peace, the next minute you bring in guns.
Guns? Me, Capone, we attack, Bob.
Come on, Ratty. It's me, Capone, you attacked. You see the run-ins. One, they bring in the guns and you fence it. Only run things.
Hey. Capone, come with me now, man. Two we can run the neighborhood, you know. 2 hours, build it, run things. Money can still make enough.
What kind of money? Where the guns from? Tell me, Ratty, what are the guns for?
Hey, it look like any blood clot body care about me. Investors not come down here, say, you know. Government not care for we, no. Can't get no real job because I'm a blood clot address. What the fuck you talk about, Capone?
Chat about? Guns only lead to self-destruction. Me not in that, Ratty.
Police are gonna use them guns for kill. We're constructive about that.
Without the police, it would be a worse war zone. And no picnic can flourish in a war zone, Ratty.
Can blood clot chat, you know, you come out of the ghetto already, see?
Yeah, me get out of the ghetto, you can get out of the ghetto too. You have a great flair for talent. You can organize show, you can put on a show anywhere and make money. He's not a biblical man, you know. But remember, You reap what you sow. Now, warn him, my brother. Me no want have to come for you, Ratty.
What do you mean you can't stop the shipment? What? The ship has sailed? So when does it dock? Tomorrow night. Oh. Next.
Respect Godfather.
Big up, guys. Where at it?
I couldn't tell you. I'm always with them police friend.
Ratty, I want you over here now. Next. Who you think making inquiries them down on the wharf about the guns them? Know your face different. Me no want to see you chat to that boy that again, you know. Or else you go dead. You're supposed to focus and behave like a smart criminal. But instead you are focused on social work. What you think you're doing? Building football field and putting on stage show. Taking all the glory from the community. It's me! Look after the youth them around here. I want to work for me. I want to do what I say I must do. You understand?
Funny. We can make enough money off of the show thing, you know.
Enough money. Small change to the plans we have for them guns there. Listen to this. The last shipment coming in tomorrow night. And the church not safe no more. That means we have to get them straight from off of the wharf.
Getting the barrel off of the wharf can cost you 50-50.
It's how you set the percentages around here.
That can change.
Birds fly too high, fall from the sky.
Not if them reach them natural flying altitude.
I'm going to give you 50-50 this time around.
Partners? Yes. Sexy, I want to talk to you, you know. Sexy, them boy that can't manage to work.
You owe the lady an apology.
Fool that.
Me say, you owe the lady an apology.
Yes, boss. Respect, boss. Respect here, Sexy.
Sorry.
Run where?
Remember when we used to go to school? You know, you was my hero. I used to just love watch you play football. I didn't like the game, but I would just watch you play for hours. But when you start training Spanish Town, I was a bit disappointed. It made me feel so strange to see you become a police. It was as if you wasn't a part of us anymore. Ratty really cares about you, you know. Asked me to keep an eye on you.
Oh, yeah? What? You not think me can handle myself?
I can feel you know how to handle yourself.
So, the run is by me again. We're going to go in there, we're going to make sure the guns are there, then we're going to trade the barrel after them clear customs. So we just catch a posse when they come pick them gun.
No shit, Sherlock. Give me the search warrant. Yes, Mr. Menchak, police. I have a warrant for search container 58. Warehouse L, Bird 4.
Well, you want some, I can't leave my post, you know, Sarge.
If you want to keep your post, you better leave your post. Warehouse spelled wrong.
You sure it's just the barrel of the guns we come about tonight, right? I'm not expecting much of me tonight. Eh? Hold on.
Nobody else supposed to be here.
Hey, Capone never stop come and roll with you, old man. Come on, man, look over this.
Police! Police of Lord. I'm going to get you, Ratty!
Back up! Immediate back up! Kingston Wharf! Back up! Clear number 1.
Razor!
Capone!
Down! Fly. Where them there?
We have them pinned down on the edge of the wharf.
Pinned down, eh?
Back up! Immediate back up, Kingston Wharf! Clear number 1.
Rita,
Who that?
it's me, Capone.
Capone, what you doing here so late?
I need to see you, Rita.
Capone, what happened?
Have a drink. Make it strong. Rita, remember the other night when I tell you how difficult things can be sometimes?
Yeah, I remember.
I almost killed Ratty tonight. I'm a kill Razor.
What? You killed Razor?
I had a shootout with them.
And Ratty?
Him and Wani control things. Them arm in the neighborhood. Guns everywhere.
Capone, what you said to me? Guns? Ratty?
We know from the other day, so him run things.
You knew?
Yeah. I talked to him. I tried to reach Ratty. But it not change nothing. Staring in a Razor dead eyes. I always think a man deserves to die who go about shooting people. The way I feel tonight, it make me wonder about shooting them myself.
Paul, what you going to do?
Since he was picnic, Patty was like a younger brother. Him used to listen to me. The first time Ratty ever escaped me, I go find Ratty and turn him around.
Ratty, you're a police friend. When you know so much how we are going? Like an informer about.
So there, sir. When we are informer. You ever think it's probably because we left the ball on the side the man figure out what going on? You ever think about that?
Think him that good? No, police don't investigate. They only intimidate. It's like you rate him.
No. I respect him.
You take bumbuckler bad man for fool.
Come back with the same idiot attitude again.
Suck your mother.
Red stripe, big your red stripe. Red stripe, big your red stripe.
Cover the back.
Red stripe, big your red stripe. Red stripe, big your red stripe.
My daddy have a gun like that, you know.
Oh yeah? Come show me. Cover the front. Slide. All right, come.
Red stripe, red stripe. Red stripe, big your red
Hold on. That not sound like him a sell box juice to me. Turn. Don't fly. Cover the back. You see him? All right, Ratty. All fucking right.
Jump in here. Move.
When this raw cell say me go kick down it clot.
You have a search warrant?
We're taking you down at the station for questioning.
What's the charge?
Possession of ganja. Search a place.
You lose something? You ever hear about the word delete?
You ever hear about the word informer?
Them for dead.
Ratty never tell you say me a police. Me and Ratty go way back. We're tight. You know what I mean, Wani? The last time me see Ratty, him offer me partnership in the business runnings. Catch me drift, Wani. You're free to go. Wani, have a nice day.
Love to talk.
What you up to, old man? You just signed Ratty death sentence. Me the things I want catch him and find out about the gun them.
It take Ratty one kind to flush him out. Eventually, him going to have to come to me. Stick with me, Floyd. Soon you'll be farting through silk.
Capone, soup wants in my office. No.
Come. You read the newspapers yet?
No, sir.
Once again, the infamous Ratty gang makes a clean getaway. Now the commissioner has been chewing out my ass not to spare any personnel in the capture of this dangerous dirty gang.
Ratty gang, sir.
Dirty, ratty, whatever. Now, I've been discussing with Not Nice the team he would need to penetrate and capture, kill. Capture, kill, whatever. We're not in the Boy Scouts here.
Soup, would Not Nice be under my command, sir?
No. The both of you will work independently, but you will share gainful information. This is not a competition. I want you both to understand that.
Yes, Soup.
All right, Soup.
I go spare the government the courthouse fee. I go send the whole of them go a dove cat.
Yo, everything, Chris.
Look like that informer Skinny was right. I feel with time now. Stoneface in position?
Yes, sir.
Godson. Godson? Godson it? Godson it there? Godson, get ready, man. All right, gentlemen. We're going to do a little house clearing. Him can't get to this time. Let's go.
Stoneface, Godson.
Anybody leave the building?
No one on this side, Capone.
No, sir.
Stoneface.
Anybody leave the building?
No, sir.
Godson. Anybody leave the building?
No, sir.
Fuck you, Ratty. Fuck you.
Respect, bro.
Another member of this community who was detained and subsequently released now tells his story.
Now to move. When you see how them are beat up for that now. And them mash up the clothes.
And further down the road, just across the
Rita. We need your help.
Someone noticing.
We're counting on you. Rita, how me look?
Dainty. If I was a man, I would have dealt with you.
Fuck, what am I gonna do with these?
Oh, God. Scandal bad. Capone.
What?
The back.
That's what, baby. I can't go on it. Not ready for this yet. All right. Who that buff, babe? That girl I want to get talking. You remember, son? You know? You know, baby? Oh, so you come back. Why you remember, son? You want?
Now that I went start trading with the Colombians, I want a new posse. See there? I don't want to turn court. I don't want a man to fight for that shit. I want everything run smooth, right?
Yeah, man.
You know the guns,
Yeah, man.
Well, it's we going to run things now, you know.
See?
I want to dust the boy Ratty and him friend.
Come on, that's
I'm a new posse. You understand? I have some man I want to introduce to you. I want a solid posse. You understand? What happened, Pops? There. I'm still now. You have a drink? Whites. Too tall. Whites for the dads. I want to meet one of my colleagues, you know, the deportee.
Sure.
You know, I have to keep up the community relation with the police. So things.
Boy, it's not easy, you know. Hey, it's like trying to find a batty man at the ghetto.
But through the interest of the community, I'm going to put it out.
You can't control your boys no more.
Well, I want to give the police a praise. And you might find some interesting people. Like Ratty and them gang. Them live down.
Yeah, man, them live in a tenement yard down on Rodney Road, on the bottom floor, number 3, next to the stairwell.
You are the center of attraction.
Ratty, Capone, move on and shoot your pussy.
Listen to me, Ratty. You have three choices. You die, you go to jail, or you take the deal me have for you. One is deportee and not nice in there, a plot for kill you.
You quick on the lyrics in Capone. Thank you, lady.
You see what I mean?
See what? What kind of deal?
Me want catch that motherfucker one with the guns. If you help me will help you. See?
See. Later, don't follow me.
Police! Freeze! Police! I'm me, Capone! We got a post!
And we are do?
You never see him shoot the policeman.
No, you do it. Don't fuck yourself.
Watch your back, batty boy.
In their pursuit of the ratty gang that has been terrorizing the community here in Dungle, the police have exchanged gunfire with two of its gang members just hours ago. The two gunmen shot and killed one police officer before one was arrested and the other cut down in a hail of bullets. Reporting from Dungle here in Kingston, I'm Kathy Owen for WUVM.
Thank you, Kathy. But the police still in the news. The United States
Hey, deportee.
that the Jamaican police,
Look like you did right, you know.
Right, but what?
Call I get the bag.
extrajudicial killing without authorization. Last year alone, killings by police here, 145 persons.
Right about the blood clotting farmer them where you saying not the boat.
45 persons, which is next in the region. This damaging report cited
That me think at first, Ratty. But Mike, the police boy as good as what you say.
every other Caribbean country. According to the report, the Jamaican security forces frequently employ lethal force to apprehend criminal suspects, usually in the guise of shooters.
That made you think
That while allegations of police murder were
at first.
the validity of some of the allegations was suspect. This problem is the result of unresolved, long-standing antipathy between the security forces and certain communities.
Me I smoke Psalm 23.
Chairman of the Independent Jamaican Council for Human Rights explained that the police were often on the receiving end of criminality
verses 4-6. Yeah! Though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil. For thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of mine enemies.
And I mean a ratty, a wani, a bumbo-clad wani.
Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever and ever, unlike you. Yo, Capone, interested in your deal?
Now that you know the facts, Soup, the only way to catch Wani is with the help of Ratty.
I'm listening.
Me feel I can get through to Ratty, Soup. And if him turn Queen's evidence against Wani...
You mean inform?
Call it what you will. But I need your assurance, Soup, that Ratty will get a new identity and a new life.
Capone.
Respect, Ratty.
Yo. I'm ready to set up that fucker named Wani with the guns, you know, so you can arrest him. Should I know better than for Bumbuckler betray me?
We secure a deal for you, Ratty. You testify against Wani. I may give you a chance to use your talent in a new life.
Testify? You mean inform? What kind of deal you talk about, Capone?
We make a deal with the Soup, Ratty. We write down your testimony and we send you to Antigua with a new ID until the trial.
Antigua? Where that there? In a Portland?
In a foreign, Ratty.
Oh. In a foreign. I'm trustworthy.
Why life really changing, Ratty? You never used to question me.
I've tough on the streets, you know.
You have to make a choice, Ratty.
Foreign. All right, Capone. You have a deal.
It's a deal, Ratty. Like old times. So where are the guns from the shipment?
Guns them at the cemetery.
So what are you planning to do with the guns?
One is I stockpile the gun them, moving on the cocaine trade. Big time.
Hello?
Money. Them have Ratty.
Who have Ratty?
Capone get evidence against you last night. Him with Ratty at the Port Royal Hotel. Them plan to put him on a plane this morning.
If I go down, then you go fucking down. Remember that.
Road block. Hold on. Something right there, man. What not nice doing here?
Going somewhere?
Me go call for backup.
Hey, fussy wolling farmer boy. You think you could have get wet?
Back up.
Fuck. No, me shouldn't trust the police. You always just trust the wrong people.
You think the police boy Capone can save you now?
Ratty, I'm gonna need this back.
What you gonna do now? Step out of the car, fussy wool, and come face your judgment.
Immediate backup!
After 3,
Immediate backup and put the road.
2, 3.
Oh, fuck!
Slide! Go arrest Wani! No worry, slide, the man armed!
Come.
Ratty! Ratty! Cover me!
You're not nice! Are you one left? Dog, now me blood clot supper!
Suck your mother, boy! Now this!
We run the grease engine. Things no run we.
He's a corny bud. Hard man for dead. Trust me.
Back in your cage, Birdman.
For now.
Not nice. Throw down your tool.
Capone, you always go on like your shit can make party.
Not even your Obia man I go save you today. Sefe! Bumble. Not nice. Pay the price. Me never tell you someone want the gun back, Ratty.
Capone, you really think me I go be turncoat? If me inform for my people, then me can't go back to them. Watch out. I gotta take the new identity where you give me, see? Chill out for a while. Then me come back as a bigger hero.
You and me make a deal, Ratty. Give me the gun.
Testify to police? No. I don't mind think that.
Use my brother, Ratty. Wow. You don't respect me no more?
For everything, there's a season. A time to love. Time to hate. Time for peace. Time for war. A time for kill.
A time to burn. A time to die, Ratty. You're a fool, Ratty. You could have a life, but you chose to die.
To remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. We run things not run we. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. We run things not run we. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. We run the street not run we. We run the uptown
and feed him until he grow big and the trap get weak. And one day, him just break out. Well, it's just so, you must know.
We run town and we run country. Anywhere we go, respect Joe to it. Because you have some people you talk like them a Goliath. Roam through the city and a fire be a shot. Night and day and them a sell tea crap. But them up under the law, them a be done back. We run things not run we. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. Follow me. We run things and things not run we. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. Trust me. For we will lock up any woman, we will lock up any man. First, if me know you indulge in a wrong, let me ever catch you with a gun in your hand. Send you go a prison down a Rockers Island. But when you're right, me say you're right, and if you're wrong, you're double wrong. Never ever try to bribe a lawman. Get your in that in you have to give me 10 grand. Still take your money and send you Rockers Island. That's how we stay, that's how we turn. Still take your money, cause we don't care. That's how we stay, that's how we turn. We run things not run we. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. We run things and things not run we. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. So give it up. Why can you not rough like a we, so pick it up. Why can you not tough like a we, so give it up. Why can you not rough like a we, so give it up. Why can you not tough like a we? Nobody never see me when we screech it. Nobody move, nobody reach it. Cause if you move, you could have played it. Oh, we are the law, the authority, so give it up. Why can you not rough like a we, so stick it up. Why can you not tough like a we, so give it up. Why can you not rough like a we, so stick it up. We run things not run we. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. We run things and things not run we. Anything we do, it have to be done properly. I am the law. When I say law, I mean law and order. For me, we lock up any woman, we will lock up any man. First, if me know you indulge in a wrong, if me ever catch you with a gun in your hand, send When you go a prison, don't a Rockers Island. Cause when you're right, me say you're right, and if you're wrong, you're double wrong. Never ever try to bribe for llama. Get your ring and in your waffle, give me 10 grand.
We run things around me. Anything we do, it have been done properly. We run things around me. Anything we do, it have been done properly. We run things
I am the law.
Anything we do, it have been done properly. We run things around me. Anything we do, it have been done properly.
We run the street, no run we. We run the uptown and the downtown passy. We run town and we run country. And anywhere we go, respect Joey because you want something for you to go like them a Goliath.
We run things around me. Anything we do, it have been done properly. We run things around me. Anything we do, it have been done properly.
Trust me.
We run things around me. Anything we do, it have been done properly.
Trust me.
We run things around me.
Man a Batman.
Properly.